Are you looking for the best steam cleaner in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best steam cleaner that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Sienna Luna Hard Floor Steam Mop plus SSM3016 Steam Cleaning System. This is a reliable and powerful steam cleaner for house use. You will absolutely like it. It's because this steam cleaner has sonic vibration micro-pulse technology that provides you excellence cleaning. The SSM3016 is ideal for cleaning your kitchen countertops, steam clean windows, mop floors and eliminating wrinkles from clothes and garments. It produces high temperature of around 212 degrees of steam and making it ready to clean and sanitize with only 30 seconds. This is what you require for an awesome cleaning. Number 4. Bissell PowerFresh 1806 Tile Cleaner, Deluxe Steam Mop, Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Floor Steamer. This steam cleaner is classic steam mop, appropriate for cleaning tough floors like vinyl, tiles, stone, laminate and hardwood, if the floor finish permits such cleaning. It utilizes the power of the steam, together with the rubbing effect mops pads and smoothly scent of the scent discs to sanitize and clean floors easily and quickly. This steam mop accompanies with 2 microfiber pads. White pad is decent for cleaning of delicate and sensitive floor kinds like sealed laminate and hardwoods. Number 3. Steamfast MultiPurpose SF370WH Steam Cleaner. This SF370 steam cleaner is the solution for those individuals who are serious about cleaning. Utilizing water that is heated to over 200 F, this multi-using steam cleaner naturally sanitizes and cleanses a variety of tops and surfaces. This specialized steam power has variety of attachments. It aimed to tackle the hardest tasks on your home. The SF370 can also washes the floors with the included 2 microfiber pads and steam mop attachments that are harmless for all wrapped flooring surfaces, for example tiles, laminate and wood. The extra large tank capacity delivers 45 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Number 2. Light and Easy Steam Cleaner, Steam Mop Multifunctional Steamer. Clean all areas around your home with this steam cleaner. It has one-click attachable handheld. You can clean the sealed hard floors easily and leave them smelling fresh again because this detachable handheld definitely takes care of tiles, windows, surfaces etc. These sets have 6 useful accessories that help you to clean all areas around your home like bathroom, windows, floors, carpet and ovens. It can also be used to clean sealed floor surfaces including tile, vinyl, wood and laminate. Number 1. McCulloch MC1275 All-Natural, Heavy-Duty Steam Chemical-Free Cleaner with 18 accessories Pressurized Steam Cleaning. Our next product is McCulloch MC1275. This finest steam cleaner is best for you. It is ideal for individuals who are looking for a complete mop steam cleaner. With the assistance of water attaining a temp of 200 degrees, the cleaner is great for natural and effective yet sanitized cleaning. Using minimal time of 8 minutes to heat up, this mop allows you to have continuous 45 minutes steam cycle. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.